Friends, today we'll focus on the term or terminologies which related to bonsai, and there are some of the misconceptions related to bonsai, beliefs, disbeliefs and some myths. So friends, there are so many misconceptions regarding to bonsai. So today we'll try to rectify them one by one. So first misconception is that bonsai are very old trees, it seems. Yeah, they are, of course they are very old trees. The young trees or a small trees has been propagated, or maybe using some methods we are try to give a form by using a shaping method, that is called as wiring. After giving a wiring we give a shape, and that particular plant is look like a old plants. So bonsai is not only old trees, any new plants, any beginner plants can be trained properly with the help of various methods which are referred now: cutting, shaping, and you can say pruning technique. So we can give a old look, and after giving this old look form, these trees look like a old trees or old bonsais. So second misconception is that bonsai are a live decorators. They can be kept only inside your house or maybe indoor plants. So it's wrong. Bonsai can be a live decorators. It can be brought for a moment in your house, but they cannot be kept for a long days. Cannot be kept for a week, because all bonsai are not indoor plants. Friends, when you have your celebration in your house, maybe a birthday celebration, any parties, you can bring them. You can keep them as a deco, as a decorative part or part of maybe a show part of your celebration of your function. And after function is over, you can keep the plant outside, and you have to give water. All the time we cannot keep this plant inside. All bonsai plants may not be indoor plants. Some are outdoor plants. The third misconception is that bonsai are genetically dwarf plants. Friends, they are very small plants, but they are not truly referred as genetically dwarf. Why? Because this bonsai plant also give flowers, and bonsai plant bear also fruits. So when any plant give flowers and fruits, they are not called to be a genetically dwarf plants. So bonsai plants gives flowers and of course fruits. The fourth misconception is that bonsai plants are very expensive plants, it seems. That means only rich people can afford them to keep inside, or they can keep these plants. Again a very wrong concept, again a misconception. Any local person, any plant lover, or any bonsai lovers or bonsai enthusiasts can keep these plants at home. They are not expensive. Any bonsai lovers can bring the plant from the nursery for around rupees 50 to 100 rupees, and you can start your bonsai. Or bonsai can be started from a seed. Bonsai also can start from the cutting, or maybe a propagations of different methods of propagation: layering, air layering, budding, or maybe a tissue culture or biotechnology. So bonsai is not expensive. Any bonsai lovers or any plant lover can start with a minimum cost. Again, one misconception is that the ficus bonsai trees cannot be grown in your garden, or cannot be kept inside your house, or ficus bonsai should not keep inside your house, because it is against tradition or against your rituals. Friends, there is one scientific method or scientific approval by NASA, is that Ficus bengalensis is one of the air purifying plants or air filtering plants. That means if you keep your plants, or if you grow these ficus varieties of plant in your garden or in a form of bonsai, you can have a lot of oxygen, and which is now basic necessities. Friends, by keeping bonsai plants at home, it of course increases the oxygen level in the atmosphere. Friends, you might be heard or might be taught by your teachers when you are in the schooling that the basic need or necessity of life was the food, water and shelter, that is roti, kapda and makan. So friend, my frank opinion is that this is a wrong concept. or maybe a very old concepts. They are that, but basic need of life is now at present is water and oxygen. So keep growing bonsais and keep try to increase the oxygen level, so that not only you can helping yourself or helping your friends or families, you are helping in a people in a huge amount in the whole world. So friends, the day will come that we have to move with the help of oxygen cylinder. Now you know that we take water bottles. This is new concept. Prior to that, earlier in our childhood days, we are not taking water bottles. Now the days will come that you have to carry the oxygen cylinder at your backside. So don't turn this situation, because there's a lot of diseases around. So don't take disease into situation wherein you will trouble yourself. Plant more and more trees so that you can improve oxygen level. Thank you very much.